for Sunbelt Roofs. We are in mid-city New Orleans, and pretty classic look driving down the street, live oak trees, creating a tunnel effect. Just part of what makes New Orleans, New Orleans. Wanted to give you a quick update. We did a Louisiana wind mitigation install with Malarkey Class 4 Impact-Rated Shingles here. Full Malarkey high temp ice and water shield under the Vista Class 4 Impact. This is storm gray. Property owner absolutely loves it. A lot of work here. It was a neglected building, had a leaky roof, changed about 30 sheets of decking, changed some rafters, kind of bringing new life back into this building, setting them up for success for the next 20 years plus. Again, mid-city New Orleans, wind mitigation, Class 4 Impact, Malarkey Vista Shingles. Until next time.